Hi guys, so today I'm going to be doing a full coverage summer like nude toned glam look. To start off, make sure your face is clean and moisturized, and we're going to go ahead and apply that primer because in the summer you want your makeup to stay right in place. You don't want to be sweating it off. So now we're going to be going ahead in with our foundation, and I'm going to use this matte foundation. I think it's a little bit light for me, but we're going to go ahead in and bronze the crap out of our face to make it look like a nice summery glow. I know at this stage you're thinking, oh my god, ghost. And yes, me too. I'm gonna go ahead and go over my lips too, so I'm like really cute in this video. It's okay guys. I'm going to contour and bronze, so. It looks a lot whiter in the camera than it does in person. Just putting that out there. Oh, it's really hot in here. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with this CoverGirl concealer stick and go ahead in and cover up underneath my eyes and highlight any areas that I'd like to highlight. So like forehead, Cupid's bow, nose, and under my eyes, of course. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and bronze our face. I'm going to use this Coco Chanel Healthy Glow Sheer Color. And it's just in this little compact. Looking a little bit better. You might want to set this in between. I'm going to use this CoverGirl again. It's just like a loose setting powder. I'm going to go ahead and just lightly dust my face with this to kind of just set some of this like foundation and concealer. If you have problems blending like contour or bronzer, I recommend putting on a like loose powder first and then going ahead and trying to do that, because it will kind of like it'll create like a lighter, drier layer, I should say, and it'll blend easier. Like if your skin's a little oily, it'll just cling to the oil and be really hard to blend. So okay, now I'm going to go ahead in with blush and highlighter. I'm going to go with a really like nude brown, Sincere, and it's by Tarte. I'm going to go in. I think this look would actually be really nice without blush too. But on camera, I'm looking still a bit ghostly. So I'm going to add a little blush in for me. But yeah, I really don't think this look even needs blush. Blend that in. And I'm going to do like a nice gold highlight. highlight, I used a BH Cosmetic from the Oasis palette. I got distracted. My sister called me. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I'm going to fill them in with this Benefit Brow pencil. And if you are going to be sweating or, I don't know, going to be at the beach or something that you don't want your hairs to fly away, I recommend using a brow gel or wax, either before or after you fill your brows in, to ensure a very long-lasting look. Now, prime the old eyes. For the eyes, I'm going to be using this tiny Tarte palette. I'm going to start in the outer corner of my eye. And if I can find a clean brush, I'm going to go ahead and take a fluffy blending brush and start with the color Respect. The shade Respect, whatever. And I'm gonna focus on the outer corner, but I'm gonna bring this around to the front as well. And I'm just going to bring it under the outer edge, underneath my eye. I'm pinching my brush to kind of make it a better shape. Now I'm going to take a flat packing brush, which is just a brush that helps you get a lot of pigment on. They're kind of like this, sort of. And I'm going to take the color Grace, which is like a white nude, and just blend it onto my lid here. I'm going to do some eyeliner, and I'm going to try to keep it thin, to keep it a little bit more natural looking. I'm going to go in and just do a nice straight line with a tiny little wing. I'm going to go ahead in with some liquid lipstick, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. You know what, actually, first I'm going to do a little lip liner to help myself out, because liquid lipstick is always very difficult for me for some reason. Okay, this like nudish color from BH Cosmetics, but it's super old. I'm just gonna... Okay, and then I have a slightly lighter one. It's actually not matte, but I'm gonna add this to the center. So now I'm going to throw on some mascara, and then I don't think I'm gonna do lashes because I'm feeling lazy right now, but definitely this look would look a lot better with lashes. And then of course you want to set your face. I hear Felix waking up. Baby, come here. What happened? My goodness. I've been putting on a lot of false eyelashes lately. Daniel, can you close the door for me? I've been putting on a lot of false eyelashes lately, and it's been just ripping my natural ones out. So they're very sparse right now. Now that I'm adding some mascara, you can tell how many I'm missing. Okay, so this is the look. And thanks for watching.